Welcome back. Fred's
Hi.
in now. Fred, what's the word you used to describe today earlier?
Beautiful?
Well, along those lines, but it was just
Stupendous?
kind of perfect. That
Outstanding?
wasn't it. I can't think of it. But
Well,
anyway, my point is, it was a great day,
It was
especially after all that rain earlier this week.
It was great. I tell you what, I'll give you 3 minutes and 30 seconds to figure out what word it was that I used earlier, because I couldn't tell you.
If you have DVR at home, rewind and let us know.
Yes, please do. Let's look here at our HD radar. I show you this because I want to point out that even though there's nothing going on right now, there could be a shower later on tonight, even into the overnight. It's not going to be heavy, it's not going to be severe, but multiple computer models do point to some light showers generating as an upper-level disturbance passes overhead. Now I want to fast forward to Saturday. That's when we have a slight risk of severe storms in the yellow-shaded area, as you can see. That doesn't include the Sioux City Metro. In the green, that's a marginal risk. So Saturday, we will have to watch. The most likely time on Saturday would be late afternoon and into the early evening as a fast-moving cool front slides through. In the meantime, look at the sunshine. Could that be more blue? Beautiful on the Port Neal Welding Company Skycam HD. 81 was our high temperature today. Impressive considering that we started off with a low of 48 degrees, but the record was 37. Back in 1950, and bless you, we have pollen levels in the high range again today. Lots of sneezing going on. 80, our current temperature with the sunshine. And as we check temperatures where you are, 80s across the south and west, 70s across the north and east. Dew points are quite a bit higher than yesterday at this time. In fact, we have a dew point of 60 in Sioux City. So not only does it feel more humid, these dew points will prevent temperatures from cooling as much as they did last night. Winds range from 5 to 15 miles per hour, mostly from the south, and these winds will become strong again tomorrow. As we zoom out to our regional temperature map, I want to show you warmer temperatures to the west where we have middle 80s, and that warmer air will slide east into Siouxland tomorrow. Couldn't be more quieter here on the satellite and radar. The only activity we've really been seeing is some clouds and sprinkles in Wisconsin and northern Michigan. But, as I mentioned, an upper-level disturbance may be able to generate a few showers tonight. Of course, we'll have to see clouds before we see showers, and we only have about 2 of those currently in central Nebraska, so very hit and miss on the rain chances tonight. Nevertheless, the stormcast does pick up on some of that activity developing by 7 p.m. and slides it east with that upper-level energy through the evening and overnight. We're talking about less than 0.05 of an inch of rain, if you see anything at all here for tonight. Tomorrow, the sunshine returns, warm temperatures do as well. Then as we sail into Saturday, we'll start the day off with dry conditions, but we have this front approaching from the northwest, and that means by late afternoon and evening, showers and storms will roll through, and this is that time frame when some of those severe storms will be possible. So keep an eye and an ear to changing conditions as we go through Saturday. Sunday looks a little bit on the windy side, actually, but other than that, sunny, dry, and, of course, a little cooler behind the front. 62 for tonight, partly cloudy, scattered showers, but I do want to say one more time, not all of us will see rain tonight. For tomorrow, 85, mostly sunny, breezy, gusts up to 25 miles per hour, and it's going to be warm. Here's your 7-day forecast. Rain chance at 60% on Saturday, 82 for our high. Behind the front, windy, cooler, but pleasant enough temperature-wise on Sunday at 75. And then we will have a nearly week-long warm-up. Jenna, next week, we'll get back into the 80s by Tuesday, 90 by Thursday. So a little something for everyone here, perhaps.
Looks good. Still can't think of that word, but
Neither
that's
can I.
okay.
Don't feel bad.